In this tutorial I will show you how to create such fast food social media marketing poster templates in Adobe Photoshop. Create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Follow these settings. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left click and drag in center to add guideline. Then go to Layers panel, from Adjustment Layer add gradient. Follow the process as shown. Copy these hex codes. From Style select Radial. Then select Rectangle tool. Left click to insert rectangle properties. Add radius as well. From Properties keep Fill to black color. Rotate by changing its angle to -42 degree. Place it accordingly as shown. Again select Rectangle tool. Left click to insert rectangle properties. Change its fill color and rotation angle as earlier done. Place it accordingly as shown. Select both rectangle layers using Shift key and group it. Name group as Shapes. Then from File place food plate image. Image link is provided in description. Hold Alt key and drag to equally resize the image. Place it accordingly as shown. Double-click on food plate layer to open layer style. Enable drop shadow. Keep drop shadow color to gray. Copy this hex code. Copy this overall settings. Then select Type tool. Left click to insert text. Go to Properties. I am using Helene regular font. Keep text size to 36 points. Set tracking to -10 and color to white. Type delicious text here. Place it accordingly. Select text, hold Alt key and drag to make a copy of text. For this text I am using Century Gothic bold font. Keep text size to 30 points. Set tracking to -60 and color to black. Type hot and crispy text here. Make one more copy of text. Font will remain same. Keep text size to 52 points. Set tracking to -40. Type Spring Rolls text here. For this text I am using Santa Catalina regular font. Change text size to 22 points. Set tracking to -30 and change color to white. Type vegetable stuff text here. For this text I am using Century Gothic bold font. Keep text size to 20 points. Set tracking to -60 and color to black. Type Free Home Delivery text here. Select Free Home text and change its size to 12, also color to white. Set leading to -18. For this text I am using DM Sans bold font. Keep text size to 14 points and set tracking to -40. Color will be white. Type Order Now text here. Add number here. Change text size to 16 points. Comfort Irregular font is used for this text. Keep size to 10 points and tracking to 10. Hold Alt key plus scroll forward to zoom in. Type website here. Place it accordingly. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its properties. From Properties, keep Fill to orange color. Copy this hex code. Place this shape behind Order Now text. Select all text layers using Shift key and group them. Name the group as text. Now from File, place Icons image. Then select Lasso tool. Make selection of single icon. Right-click and rasterize icon image layer. Press Ctrl plus J to make a copy. Similarly, make copies of each single icon. Make sure to always select image layer while making a copy. Delete image layer. Select all icon layers using Shift key and group them. Name the group as Icons and Logo. Start placing icon as shown. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to canvas. Then from File, place Plastic Wrap Overlay Image. Hold Alt plus left click and drag to equally resize the image. From Blend Mode, select Screen. Decrease opacity to 55%. Then from Adjustment Layer, select Brightness and Contrast. Keep brightness to 1 and contrast to 35. Select Overlay and Brightness Contrast layer using Shift key and group them. Name the layer as Overlay. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Decrease its opacity to 18%. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to make merged layer. Name it as Final. Then from View, select Guides, then Clear Guides. This is the final look. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other poster design tutorials. Thank you.